My name is Sam. I'm speaking today on water sustainability and how we're dealing with it on our farm. We live in a high rainfall part of Ireland in West Cork, where previous rainfall averages vary between 1,000 and 1,250 millimetres, but now it seems we're able to exceed that in just over the winter period alone. We also have a lake on our farm which fishery people tell me is rich in brown trout. One would think water is not an issue for us, but water is and will be in the future. Water is a finite resource in that no more fresh water can be resourced. Here's a few interesting facts on water. 97% of Earth's water is salty. The rest is trapped in glaciers or underground, which means only 0.03% is available in lakes and rivers, etc. as fresh water. Agriculture uses 70% of the world's freshwater supply. An inch of water over an acre totals over 27,000 gallons or 113 tonnes. Sustainability, what does it mean? It basically means the ability to endure and to be successful over time. Increasingly, in recent years, global food companies and consumers want to know that their food ingredients are produced using responsible farming practices at producer level. As stewards of the land, we as farmers have a unique opportunity to conserve water and reduce on-farm waste through leakage, etc. Also by recycling water and rainwater as much as possible. A lot of water is used in the milking process. Efficient uses for milk cooling, plate washing, yard washing can add up to significant savings of water. Plate cooling should use 2 to 3 times the volume of water to milk, and a solenoid valve fitted to plate cooler and linked to milk pump to avoid unnecessary use or waste of water. In our case, water from plate cooler is stored from plant washing by means of an overhead tank, and overflow goes to yard washing storage tanks, so little goes to waste even on peak supply of milk. We also have a heat exchanger unit in which milk cooling brings water temperature to 55 degrees without any loss of efficiency. One of the better things we did on our farm was to put in a water manifold in which water comes directly from pump and is distributed to a central location. A series of control valves on the manifold that serve different locations on the farm. By fitting meters on the valves, we're able to see water use, and that enables us to monitor usage and detect leaks. We are very surprised by the amount of underground leaks from old brass joints going undetected. Also, this system allows us to shut off different parts of the farm or farmyard when not in use. Also on our farm, we have a reed bed system which was established 15 years ago. It basically is 2 acres of wetlands divided into 5 individual plots, which water flows from one to the other. It takes runoff from roadways, yards, etc. And by retaining this over a period of time, the reeds do their magic and dirty water is purified. Lastly, it took 4.4 litres of on-farm water to produce our litre of milk on this farm in 2015.